What are we going to do, Violet?
The Eva bomb. This is Avo bomb.
Avo bomb?
Is it? Yeah, we'll say that.
Courtesy of Lush.
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 In it goes. Ready?
It's Fizzy! It's Fizzy. My bag. Is it?
Zucchinis, cucumbers, tomatoes. And yeah. Pretty nice. Someone's just come running.
Sophie,
Yes.
can you find a white for Mummy?
Oh, flying, I got crow's feet and heavy shoes. Cold on a wire, but hey, I can feel. Hey, I can feel. Ain't you? Singing these blues.
Oh, what is that?
Setting up my head
Oh, wow, the sun.
Smart no band participate.
Jerry is playing. Ola is filming. I was playing, and apparently loads of cameras and loads of stuff going on. It's quite exciting. Let's have a look. Not every day you sort of see a Bollywood film being filmed in London. Going back to Holland. Yeah, we're getting on the boat. The boat is leaving now. From Dover to Dunkirk, I think it is. This time we actually are meant to be going to Dunkirk, so okay, we're at
Fever!
We're at the first ever Fever that Tim ever went to. Got some chips. Some cheese puffs. Get like so yeah, 13 hours Eurostar. Lots of people trespassing on the tracks and clambering on the train roofs, it says, and
so everyone knows it. Fast train, you know what? See what your mind. These are the last days of our love, babe. Walking a while, slow down, we'll both drown it, see what it is. These are the last days of our love, babe. Someday, babe, in another world, I'll be the one.
it's a bit of a rainy day today. It's Wednesday morning. It's nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. Just come back, well, just finished the radio interview.